In front of me is a Huawei Y7 2019, and I'll show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. So to get going, you can either pull out the notification, as I just did, and it will be this little moon icon, and if it's not visible here, you can tap on this little pencil, and it will be somewhere over here, which you can grab like so, and just drag it over here. So yeah, once it's here, you can either activate it by tapping on it, and it will be based on the default set, which is I think Monday through Friday, and from 10 till 7 in the morning. Or you can also hold it and then customize it to however you like it from here, which basically you can set a schedule normally here. Oh, actually no, when you activate it, it's just full-time Do Not Disturb mode. My bad. So you can set a schedule from here to basically set what day you like. Custom, you can just select each individual day of the week, and you can also choose either for it to be from Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday only, or every day. So yeah, and from here you choose the time that you want it to be at, and just confirm it, and same goes with when it starts and basically when it ends. And once this is flipped, it basically will be always affected. And you also have a one for calendar, which you can add events in the calendar, and same principle behind it. And from here, advanced settings, you also have the Do Not Disturb mode, which will only be you will be disturbed by your alarm, or you can set it to basically not be disturbed by anything, or allow only priority interruptions, which then you can choose more precisely on calls and messages how they are affected by Do Not Disturb mode. So as you can see, you can basically be disturbed by everyone, contacts only, favorite, or none. None is basically no one can call you, and everyone has the ability to reach you, which defeats the purpose in Do Not Disturb mode. And same options go for messages. Okay, so that would be it, I guess. And if you want to disable it, you can just tap on it again if it's enabled, but like so. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.